Geberit Mepla, our multi-layer piping system, combines the advantages of both metal and plastic piping. Mepla complies with all necessary standards and regulations, making it suitable for all relevant industrial and commercial applications. Our revolutionary three-layer construction offers a wide range of advantages over traditional metal or plastic piping. Mepla is more corrosion-resistant and lighter than metal pipes, as well as being more inherently stable and robust than plastic pipes, making the system easy and safe to process. Stable, bendable, and able to form a barrier against diffusion, Geberit Mepla also remains leak-proof when subjected to pressures far exceeding the maximum testing standards. The outer plastic layer, made of polyethylene, protects against corrosion and mechanical damage. The central aluminium layer makes the pipe stable and bendable, and the inner polyethylene layer is corrosion-resistant and food-safe, making Geberit Mepla perfect for all drinking water qualities. Geberit Mepla is available in a comprehensive range of pipe dimensions and fittings.